Loading this 200-ton Titan will be far from straightforward. It's just too heavy to travel along tarmac roads in one piece. So Bob's team must split the giant howitzer in two for the move. They'll use hydraulic jacks to release the heavy caps holding the 104-ton barrel in place, and slings to swing it clear. They'll repeat the process with the carriage, spreading the weight across 2 trucks for the road trip. First up for Bob and his crew, remove the caps.
That's this cap here. Our crane will attach to that, and then this has to be pulled out this way. This should be able to slide out, but they've done a wonderful job of painting it, and there's thick paint all around these faces.
It'll take some muscle to defeat Colonel Lefebvre's paint job.
Hold it there. Hold it there, mate.
Cardiovascular exercise.
3.5 hours into the job, Bob's crew finally released the caps.
Yeah, we got it, mate, we got it. Right, got it.
With the caps off, they can fasten the steel lifting cables to the crane's giant hook and attach fabric slings that wrap around the barrel to create a huge cradle. But there's a problem. Suddenly, the aging gears spring to life.
Hold it. Whoa.
Hold it there, hold it there.
Leaving the barrel hanging precariously over their heads. Time for a second go.
Yeah, it's going.
Keep going up, mate, keep going up. She's clear of the cogs. Steady, 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 stop.
That'll do us.
Line sills coming through.
Time to load the carriage.
Perfect. Look at that. Hand holder there. Keep coming down. Keep coming down.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. It's gone on there really well. It's gone on there really well.
With the howitzer and its ammunition loaded, truckers John and Mick hit the road.